it's your girl Naomi, and I'm back again with another video. So, if you're asking what is that sound, it is, I am eating some Snap Bitty Bites, and you get them at the Walmart that has a bunch of toys, and I have the TV going right here. I have Life with Lexi, and for today's video, I'm going to be doing Turn Up to Laugh on the Fire Stick. So yeah.
It's time to go. Come on.
Well, I'm not going to do that today.
No, I already bought you something.
I'm going to be doing Lexi TikTok.
They will spend all the money.
Right here. And I just pressed it. And that is Lexi. And I'm going to show you that.
Hey, Susan, come on in. Sit down. We're just watching some TV. It's time to bring the pizza.
So that was it, and I'm going to do another video. It might not be her TikTok, but I'm going to do riding bikes with Granny, Life with Lexi. So
what's next on the list?
School glue.
Gorilla, what are you doing in school supplies?
Gorilla Kid School glue. Finally.
Strong, yet easy to use and safe for kids. For the toughest jobs
So yeah.
on planet Earth.
This is her entrance. So yeah. And if you don't know, I'm gonna go turn it up real quick. Yeah. But yeah, she's riding her bike with her granny.
Oh, there you go. Oh, yeah.
And
Doing good, girl.
I don't know if you guys could see.
Granny went and got her tire aired up. Don't go too far, baby.
And yeah. And make sure you hit the thumbs up and hit that bell. Yeah. That's how.
What you doing? Is it my bike? Why you on my bike? Hold on. Now you just said Lexi can't ride. Lisa can't ride somebody else's bike, but you're on my bike. Huh? Who?
I'm gonna do another one of her TikTok videos. See? Sorry.
Rock, slide, twist. 1, 2, 3, go left, back, right, back, up, back, down, back, go. Watch out for the big girls. Now bang, bang, bang. Rotate for me, hands up like y'all. Don't do it for me. Now watch me well. Now watch me now.
Who put that on your face?
I don't know.
Ava, you have a marker in your hands.
Hmm?
Hmm?
A marker?
Who Did you do that?
No, I didn't.
Ava, are you telling the truth?
Oh my god, I love this song. Will you sing it for me? But I can't sing. Please. Fine. Yay! It's something about you, girl. Did you freeze my head all the time?
So yeah, guys, that was
Life with Lexi.
part 1.
Life with Lexi.
Real quick. These are hot pickles. And yeah, I want to try to find the best one for me to watch. And I'm about to work with Lexi. So guys, if you saw my first video, this is my third time making a video. And I'm gonna post videos every Monday and Tuesday and Friday. Or sometimes I do it on every day.
It's super black and scary. Those other noodles done?
Yeah.
She used this to cook it up.
I'm gonna show you guys what my iPhone looks like.
Antoinette's doing the cooking.
Uh-huh. Mhm.
That's all the sauce.
Got my second iPhone yesterday.
And then I add in the
Sorry.
Yeah. I'm gonna play music and I'm gonna see if I can get this song going. And let's see. I'm gonna have to Google cause it's so hard. Songs that you can dance to.
Getting that from YouTube.
I should always say that. I'm sorry. So yeah, I'm gonna try to wait. I want to see this song real quick, but I'm probably not going to dance to it. Yeah, I'm not going to dance to this song.
It's a big bad world, but
I'm going to do Baby Shark remix, guys. Like, this is the first one. I'm tired. I'm gonna do another song for you guys. I wanna do peanut butter jelly.
It's peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly time.
I don't really like this. Okay, so oh guys. So guys, that's it for today's video, and I hope you guys come back later. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn notifications, give us a huge thumbs up. Bye guys.